After a while, it was just snake jiu-jitsu. You know, we were just trying to, you know, battle it out each other. So he, you know, he'd have one arm and I'd have the other.
Snake jiu-jitsu, he says.
Love that guy.
Wow, people on a tour boat ride in the Everglades never expected this to happen. The captain spotted a 10-foot Burmese python, jumped out of the boat and started wrestling it.
All this caught on camera, as you can see, from parents and kids who had front row seats. And as NBC2's Rick Ritter reports on New at 6, instinct simply took over.
This amazing video shows it all. A tour guide face-to-face with one of Southwest Florida's most dangerous species.
Wow!
For tour boat guide Tommy Owen, the catch of a lifetime was just an ordinary day.
I mean, I grew up here, so this is pretty standard for the most part.
Owen works for Everglades Adventure Tours. He was on the water with a family Tuesday when he saw a massive python swimming through the swamp.
I didn't even realize it was 10 feet. I thought it was definitely over 6 feet, definitely bigger than me. Didn't realize it was 3 times the size of my own arm.
After sizing up the predator, Owen let his instincts take over and decided to hop in after it.
They don't belong here, and that was literally running through my mind. Launched on it, essentially, ambushed it like any other predator out here.
After what he calls a few minutes of snake jiu-jitsu, Owen had a good enough hold on the python so his partner could kill it.
With the snake, especially that big, you've got one chance to grab it by the neck, you know, where it doesn't bite you.
Everglades Adventure Tours, this is Jack speaking.
Owner Jack Sheely says the business has been in the family for generations, and he's never seen a python catch caught on camera, but wouldn't put anything past his good friend Owen.
Even rarer than encounter a snake, someone just jumping in there on it, you know. Tommy's always been a wild man growing up with him.
This Burmese python is close in size to the one the guys caught yesterday, about 10 feet long, 50 pounds, and while they got rid of another one of the dangerous species, they know there's plenty more left in the Everglades.
I had to make sure I caught that one because that's just one less out there, one less eating native species.
The only thing that has not been found inside of a python is a black bear.
And as for the tourists, let's just say they got more than they paid for.
They'll never get a show like that ever again. That was a highlight of their life, or of their vacation for sure.
In Collier County, Rick Ritter, NBC2.